I fulfilled the prophecy. Everyone's favorite booby plugin. Actually, hold on. What are we doing here? We are old enough to enjoy breasticles. For the sake of me not really doing a lot of editing, let's go ahead and talk about how to fulfill the prophecy. We all have seen, of course, Suki. When you go into her information, you have a little question. It says, a cult? Sounds interesting. What? Why? You can read it yourself if you want, but I'm pretty sure y'all already have. Anyways, enlightenment awaits. This is, of course, obviously a HTML URL, their website, naniplugin.com/ENLIGHTEN ment AWAITS. Okay, now we have no idea what the hell the password is until you start just, playing around. You're like, oh shoot, information. You have to get the password from a cult member. Now, the only cult member here is obviously Suki. This is where I and my 1080p ass stopped the challenge. I did not know what the heck until, of course, I threw this back on with the 4K monitor, and I've been looking everything, frame by frame, picture by picture, and that's exactly what you have to do over here. So if you just look closely, you look carefully, you see it. Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? Oh, I know you see that. If you can't see it, don't worry. I'll show you this way. We'll take a little screenshot of that. And if we go ahead and zoom right into the screenshot, you can see, voila, numbers. 159, 34, no, 3748. So we're going to type that into the website. 3748. Did I do it? Oh, yeah, there you go. Memory skills on lock. Welcome, my child. You could take your time to read this because obviously, let's try and make this video better. In any case, at the bottom here, we have something that says download. May I remind you guys and girls, I was doing this exactly around 12 to 1 p.m. till 3 a.m., maybe 4. So seeing a file that said broken like this, it scared the shit out of me. We are greeted by this video image, and I am not going to play it because yeah. Essentially, what you have to deal with is the audio of this video file. But I'm going to convert this into a MP3 or a WAV file. Go ahead and hit play. You hear those sounds? Those little bass sounds, you hear boom, 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 boom. I was like, okay, this is definitely Morse code. Guess what? We're going to use our good old booby plugin to help us out. So take a look. See those little peaks? And you hear the long doo, doo. What we're going to do is just hit play and go on to a website and type in the Morse code. So let's go ahead and hit play and we'll deal with it. So, yeah. Long. You gotta use a slash for dividing. That was a long one there, right? If you fuck up, just go back. 2, 3. Yeah. Do, boom, boom. Is that it? No, it was 5 like that. 2. There you go. Think that, yeah. And then the rest is just mumbo jumbo. Trust me, I was there for a good minute like, yo, what the heck is going on? So the numbers we have here is 4234521235. You have to first make sure you do this right here, this whole hey occult, okay, before you can enter this code. How do I know? Because I tried this multiple times after, because this message that you're gonna see is very confusing, and it took me about 30 to 45 minutes before I was like, this is actually a punch-in code. 5 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and punch in this code now. So starting 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. This was cool, man. When that's all that, I was like, whoo. All right, we're glad to see you studied the indoctrination. The Brotherhood officially welcomes you if you so choose. Nani framework has now been altered, providing the Brotherhood a platform to restore Akuma. Yes, from Street Fighters, bro. We asked you to create summoning circle. The Brotherhood must be undetected, though. We left instructions elsewhere nearby. Do not fail us. Do not fail our majesty. This, I said already, got me stuck for 45 minutes. I was like, what the hell did that mean? This is what you have to do. Minimize your desktop. We don't need the Morse code anymore. Actually, we don't need this page anymore, too. So, goodbye. I was freaked out because I saw Akuma. This, I did not notice this file until I gave up. I was like, yo, I'm done. Let me close this program. But we have a lot of words here. And as we know, when there are words, you have to go and try to do some crypt decoding. So copy these words right here. So here we go. Decode.com. We're just going to pretty much paste the code in here. Hit analyze, and it's going to tell us, hey, this code could possibly be XYZ. There's different things that we could check and see and figure out. And the one that I think we have to look into is going to be called base 64 coding. If I am not mistaken, we're going to decrypt it. Yeah, right here. We get these letterings right here. You're going to also want to obviously copy this and then paste this in. Then you're going to go back to the main menu or the main website. If anything, just close the damn window. Oh, okay, here we go. And then we're going to paste that right here into this main window yet again. And we are going to get, here you go, ASCII code right here. Yet again, paste it in. And we are given these numbers right here. Soon as I saw this right here, I was like, yo, we did it. We did it. So what we have to do is dial in these exact numbers over here. So if I were to go to 14.4, and if you are having trouble here, by the way, you could always go here in FL Studio, make editor thumbnail. We're going to go to the drive knob, dial in exactly 14.4 in the plugin here because the knobs don't really 100% accurate. It's not accurate. Yeah. Next one, we got color. You can see here, positive and negative, positive 4.3. There you go. And it's positive because there's no negative. As you can see right here, we got negative 23.2. 382, that's a low cut right here. Come on, there you go. 2125, 21. And if you're having trouble like how I'm doing here, just go over here and nudge it and then try again. Come on, motherfucker. There we go. Of course, I had a curse. And mix, we're going to do 12 because 12% is 0.12. Very nice that they're like doing actual math numbers on it. Minus 23.2. There's a jump scare warning. Some of y'all just probably got your eyes like, oh shit. That jump scared me too. Okay. Yo, the time has come, and so have I. When I saw this and I wasn't able to do anything, I was like this. Essentially, what you got to do is just reload the program. So let's just delete it and bring it back up. Whew. Now here I was like, what? Killed the banana. What? So I was trying. I was like, yo, are there any knobs? All you have to do is hit play. You could press on the keyboard. That's what I did with Boo Bass. But this is so mean. What the banana do to y'all? Let's just make this faster for us. There we go. That's so cool, man. That is so cool. Yeah, so it's just a looping message here. And ideally, what you got to do is just reload the program, which I'll just do like that. And bam. When this shows up, you'll see, hey, the prophecy has been revealed. And you will be greeted with Akuma. That's so tight. And the same thing happens here. You can see. So yeah, that is the Nani 2.0, the prophecy achievement. This is very sick. Let me know what you guys and girls think. Peace. I'm out.